To start, you'll need bag number 5. At the head end of the bed, take one 5/16 by 3/4 Allen head bolt and one 5/16 nylock nut and insert the bolt into hole number 1 from the outside of the side rail. Then, using a 1/4-inch Allen head key and a 1/2-inch wrench or socket wrench, tighten the nut and bolt. Now, for hole number 3, take one 5/16 by 3/4 hexagon machine bolt and insert it into the hole from the outside of the rail. Connect a 5/16 nylock nut and hand tighten to the point that it is flush with the end of the bolt, and then push the bolt from the inside so that it is loose on the outside of the frame. Finally, repeat these same procedures for hole number 1 and hole number 3 on the opposite side rail. Be sure to save the remaining 2 bolts and nuts in bag number 5. They'll be used at a later stage.